Good afternoon, I'm Alex from Fontaine Motors, the performance Audi specialist, and this afternoon, in this gap in the rain that I hope will last at least the 10 minutes I need to finish this video, I'm going to show you around our S3 Sportback GP15GVA. We will take a tour of the car, a panel at a time. I'll show you each interior area as we loop around the car. I will highlight any imperfections I see as we go. Please don't think I'm nitpicking or criticising the car, just trying to be transparent, but hold in mind obviously that this car is 11 years old. So, general look around front end and bonnet there, you'll see it presents really well, paint, fit and finish look good. If I go in really close, you'll see we've got a few little chips that have been neatly touched in. But as you can see yourself, overall shows itself very nicely. Optional LED headlamps on this car, lenses of which are bright and clear, same as on the RS3. Paint of the bumper's very nice. Again, you see you've just got a few little chips. Factory gloss black styling pack, so no chrome on this car other than the door mirrors, being an S car. Plastic radiator grille, all looks good, not crunched, cracked, anything like that. You can see the radar peeping out there. Adaptive cruise control fitted to this car, a rare option. And paint on the near side, also very nice. Again, I'll go in real close and show you just some little chips. Moving to the near side of the car, so I'm down low now. Move my phone around so you can watch the reflections, but the paint and panel fit look great, everything nice and straight, no dents to show you. Near side front wheel, freshly refurbished. They have been sent off for a proper diamond cut. They've not had a cheapo roadside job. They're back in the correct factory finish. Recent front brake discs, as you can see, very minimal wear on those. Continental Sport Contact 5P on that tyre, probably at 4mm of tread. Nice along the sill, no damage. No damage on the door mirror. Or the near side front door. Door panel there. Black leather interior in this car, contrast pale grey stitching. Condition of the passenger seat, very nice, showing minimal wear. Up and over the roof, as you can see, we have a panoramic glass sunroof fitted to this car, and I will show you that working when we get to the interior. Near side rear door, no damage there. Nor is there to the door panel. Only the lightest of marks on that seat back. Leather of the rear seat looks really good. There is, so if you look dead center now, there is a faint mark there. I don't know if that's from someone cleaning something or a small stain or something, but again, I'm a foot away and it is really very slight. If I go even just a step back, you can't even see it, but it is there. Near side rear quarter there, lovely and clean. All 4 alloy wheels on this car have just been refurbished, so all are unmarked. And again, looking at those rear brakes, you can see how recent they are too. Continental, again, with about 5mm of tread on that one, matching the front. Round to the back of the car. Tailgate glass, bright and clear. No scratching around boot handle. Boot carpets and trims in nice condition. Let me put this paper mat away before I forget. And my valeter tells me off for making the mats dirty. Yes, you do get a spare wheel. Only very, very small, slight loading marks there on the lip of the rear bumper. We have on the rear bumper, just next to the parking sensor there. Oh no, I lied, I thought that was a tiny scratch. It was a dot of polish residue, excuse me. Rear valance looks good, as do the tailpipe trims. And on to the offside. So again, let's start out nice and low. Move my phone around so you can watch the reflections, but the alignment is good, paint looks great. Nothing to complain about down there. Offside rear wheel, newly refurbished, matching Continental tyre with probably 5 to 6 millimeters of tread on that one. Nice and clean inside the fuel door. And I did notice on this side a couple of little marks on the gloss black trims. They are quite prone to, unfortunately. See just the focus. Very end there, you've got some tiny little blistery bits. Offside rear door, no damage. Privacy glass on this car. Seat back. Opposite view of the rear seat. Headrests present and correct. Offside front door. Couple of little chips down there. No damage on the door mirror. Another couple of little marks on the gloss black trim just there. Offside front door. Brushed aluminium trims in this car. Control there for electric folding door mirrors. Flat bottom steering wheel, leather of which looks really nice. Not shiny, not worn. Driver's seat in very nice condition. No marks on the offside front wheel, matching Continental Conti Sport Contact 5P with probably 4 to 5 millimeters in that one to make a matching set of 4. Engine bay there, clean, tidy and standard. This is not a modified car, it is a very well maintained car, and if you'd like a detailed look at service records, have a read of the main body text of the advert where you will find fully itemised service records. 62,296 miles at the time of filming. On the button, straight into a nice smooth idle, no warning lights on. Despite the weather, it is quite a warm afternoon. Trying to do some of the lens flare. Climate control, blowing nice and cold straight away and smells fresh, as does the rest of the interior. There is no evidence that or indication we've had pets or a smoker in this car at any time. We have lens flare. I'm struggling. That's just about it. Navigation. Bluetooth with Bluetooth audio. DAB digital radio. And all of your other music sources there. SD card slots, CD, external connector for a USB device or an iPod, remember those, and Bluetooth audio. Drive select, giving access to the different drive modes there. Just rear parking sensors on this car that don't show on display, but if I quickly click it into reverse, you'll hear them beep on. Yes, they do work as they should. Panoramic glass sunroof. Blind is just a pulley slidey one. Roof itself, push the switch up to make the roof tilt up, push the switch back to make the roof go back. Nice and smooth and quiet in operation. And there we go. I do hope you found that video tour to have been helpful. If I have missed something, if you've got a question, if you'd like to discuss a part exchange, arrange a time to visit, or learn how about our reservations work, do of course reach out. Thanks very much indeed.